Hey traders, got me some quesadillas, eating lunch, but let me give you a couple of names before we run off for the weekend. Mara, seeing the next week 5.5 puts, about 10,000 of these. They were buying them around 50 cents, so that's about $500,000 right there. Actually saw some Mara puts, around 11,000 of these bought yesterday, right before the close. Mara is a crypto name, and remember, they've delayed their earnings now for about a week or so, which is very suspicious. Obviously, Bitcoin had a big down move under $20,000 we saw last night. So Mara, maybe it finally gets earnings. Market makers are implying between now and next week, March monthly expiration, around $1 move right there. And then obviously we've had a lot of bearish news in the crypto market, like Silvergate, ticker SI, basically going bankrupt. So watch that one, and maybe they'll finally come out with earnings. If not, even worse news, because something might be going on in that company. And I mean bad. Let's also look at the banks. JP Morgan seeing the end of March 120 puts. We saw SYF puts. We saw Ally, April puts. We've been seeing the bank puts nonstop. Wells Fargo, another one with Silicon Bank actually being halted all day today. And then Amazon saw a nice order this morning of the March 94 calls, and they bought the March monthly 89 calls for a little over $1.7 million, $250,000 on the March 94 calls. The stock caught an initial nice move, about $2 move higher, now fading back lower with the market. So maybe a little bit of rotation or safety into big tech. Obviously, Amazon not having exposure to the financial sector right there. So got some names. Markets are very fragile, and I am going to go back to eating these quesadillas and then go upstairs back to trading because still got the close.